Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Instagram quiet mode is a feature that pauses notifications and sends an automatic response warning of inactivity to the users who send you a private message. Now, if you also want to learn this, then you have to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Now, first of all, open up the Instagram app on your device and get logged into your account if you haven't already. Now from here, go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner on your screen, and then a menu will appear on your screen. Now from there, tap on settings and privacy. And once you're in the settings and privacy section, tap on notification option, and there you will find quiet mode option on your screen. Now click on that option. Now turn on the quiet mode by toggling the switch. Now choose the start and stop time by scrolling and then tap on OK option. Now it will mute the notification during that time you fixed. Now keep in mind that the location of the quiet mode option and its settings may vary depending on your device operating system and the version of the app you have installed. If you can't find the quiet mode feature, it's possible that it hasn't been rolled out to your region yet, or it may have been renamed or integrated into other settings. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Now if this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a like. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.